Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana and I am very excited to show you this wedding album kit. I have used Crafty City kit called Today, which is listed on Crafty City's website. Link is in the below description box. And as I mentioned while I was showing the kit itself, I mentioned that this kit is enough for two albums. One is childhood memories and one is for wedding. So I also created two albums using the same kit, all the papers, everything, nothing extra. Some of the ivory papers I have used somewhere here and there to make my own tags and everything. Other than that, the whole kit perfect for creating two albums. So let's walk through this album. This is wedding album. You can see very cute. All the Wild Orchid Craft flowers are here and this shaker thing is here. So what I have done, I just slide the image from the collection, but you can use actual bride and groom image here. So that's pretty cool idea, right? So you can see, and seam binding bow is here, beautiful sentiment is here, and then we will open all these pages. And this album is meant for picture purpose, so each and every page has a bigger space for a big nice picture, so you can create cute and very specific photo album. So it's not very bulky album, but you can put very important pictures in this album, I would say. So you can see all these parts I have created using glue on the either sides, and middle part is just to tuck the pictures in. So I have used all these black paper photo mats here, so you can see where to put the pictures. And here this is very pretty bride and groom image, and I have used Tim Holtz stickers here and tags, and I have created beautiful tags somewhere here. This tag is from the collection, but some of the tags I have created on my own. So this is a corner spot like to tuck in the picture. Then this page opens like this, and again these corners created the photo holder, you can say that, like all these photo mats, so picture can hold properly. This opens like that, very cute bride and groom, some tags here, very pretty images from the collection. And then next page has another set of bride and groom, very cute. Then this close like this, and beautiful flowers and all these pretty images here. And when you open this, it is like this, very nice, simple yet elegant album you can create using this kit. And this page I have done this way, so all our pages opens from this way, so you can do whatever you want since they are very flexible albums. So you can see beautiful, I love this rose, very pretty. And this leaf die is included this kit, so that is very handy. And this opens like this, very romantic pictures are here, you can see. And then this page, beautiful, and this one, and that's it. So this is the kit I wanted to show you, and I am coming with the another album which is childhood memories, so stay tuned. Thank you. Here you go. Hi everyone, Archana here. Welcome to the part 2 albums from one kit. As I promised, I have created another album and I'm going to show you how it looks. So for this album, I have used similar paper, same paper, I mean the background paper, which is this wreath, you can see the same one. And the saying says, this cute chipboard saying is, here I am. It's so cute, and look at this boy. He's like almost fell in love with this girl. I feel like it. So even you can coordinate these two bride and groom's childhood pictures and add them in this album. That would be so cute, right? So these two will be like very cute gift for them, right? So here is a very cutest album I have came up with. This basic album is canvas album. I'll show you. This is the canvas album by Prima I have used for this mini album, and since it's fabric touch, I feel like this is perfect for kids album. So I'll show you inside. It is very simple, just for picture album. So it has some canvas pages. You can see it is like a binder. So you will get these canvas pages are little over 7 inches by 7 inches, and you will get 5 of them. So you will create 10 different pages, and then on the back side you will get another 5 these folders or files kind of thing. These are the sleeves, and you can easily insert the pictures inside. I'll show you what I have done. So what I did, I just alternate these pages, one canvas and one this plastic cover page, and I'll walk through with this album. I just kept it simple. If you want to put some notes or anything, you can do it, or create some kind of pockets here and put some journaling or whatever note you want to stick there, you can do that. And the first, this album has this cute image, very cute dog image, and one page I just stick permanently here, and I have these corner cutouts where you can just add the pictures. I'm just showing you how they look, and it creates some kind of a border also. So I happen to had this punch, but I don't have punches for sale, but I do have something similar, which is this is super cute die. It is available, it's listed on my website. And also I have these chipboards also, which I have used on my cover page. This is also available. And just first page I'm just kept it loose so you can insert here. So these flower cluster, I have used glue on only one side and stick it here, so you can just stick that picture here. Then the back side also I just permanently glued it, but you can do whatever you want. And this cute kitty image is here. And then this page is this plastic cover. If you don't want to decorate any pages, these pages are really wonderful to write some notes or journaling or extra pictures you can just insert here. But I just went ahead and I just created cute photo spots here. You can see there are 2 more, so they look so pretty in these covers also. And look at this beautiful cute girl here. And then I will just walk through. I'm not going to open each and every page from the sleeves. You can easily see what's inside. And another doggy page, and another kitty one here. This cute little girl is here. All these cutouts from the same collection as I mentioned, and they are pretty much enough to cover both albums. And this one and this one also, so you can just tuck it in there. Even though this is permanent page I have created, you can just tuck the picture here like that. So they are more than 4x6 sizes. Some of them I kept it smaller sizes. So look at this, so cute. And here this one, very cute images. I just had so much fun. Fussy cutting is also fun. It's not that bad cutting these intricate images. It looks like they are very much hard to cut, but they are easy, trust me on that. And this one and this one, and done. So again you can just create whatever you want here. I just kept it plain. So this so cute album I have here. And again this one. So see, in one kit You created 2 different albums. Isn't it amazing? So thank you so much again for watching.